Hey everyone, it's Ryan from the Sachem Public Library, and today I'll be showing you how to use adjustment layers in Photoshop. So let's get to it. To begin, open up the image you'll be working on. Next, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and for now let's select Brightness and Contrast settings. Hit OK. Begin to alter the image to your liking. Close out the window. And now if you look at your layers window right here at the bottom right corner, you can hit this eyeball right here and you'll see that this is what the original image looked like, and then when you hit the box that it'll show the change that you made. Let's continue with adding more adjustment layers. Next, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and now let's hit Hue Saturation. Hit OK. Begin to make the changes. Close out the window. Next, look at your layers panel, and you can uncheck the boxes and see how it looks with the different layers enabled and disabled. Let's add one more layer. I'm going to add color balance. Now if you look at your layers panel, like I said before, you can disable and enable your different layers. See how they look. Next, if you like the image how it is, hit Shift click, select all layers, right click and hit either merge layers or flatten image. Now you are committed to the changes that you have made. So that is how you use adjustment layers in Photoshop.